Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on Voiceflow, the incredible no-code platform that allows you to design, build, and launch voice applications without needing to write a single line of code. Whether you're looking to create an Alexa skill, a Google action, or even a custom voice assistant, Voiceflow is here to simplify the entire process and make it accessible to everyone, no matter your technical background. In this video, we're going to guide you through everything you need to know to get started on your journey with Voiceflow. We'll walk you step by step through the platform's features, show you how to design seamless conversational flows, and help you understand how to integrate powerful functionalities like APIs, data storage, and more, all without any coding experience required. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start building and launching your own voice-driven experiences, whether you're creating a simple chatbot, a smart assistant, or a fully interactive voice application. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into Voiceflow, where the possibilities for voice technology are endless and easy to explore. Voiceflow is an incredibly powerful and versatile no-code platform designed to empower individuals to create, design, and deploy voice applications effortlessly, without requiring any prior coding knowledge. It provides a seamless experience for users aiming to develop voice apps for popular platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, or even custom-built voice solutions. By simplifying what could be a complex development process, Voiceflow allows you to focus on your ideas and concepts while handling the technical intricacies behind the scenes. Using its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, Voiceflow enables you to visually map out conversational flows, making it easy to visualize and structure how users will interact with your voice application. This powerful tool also supports the integration of more advanced features such as APIs, data storage, and even analytics, allowing for the creation of highly dynamic and responsive voice applications. When you open Voiceflow, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, where you can easily manage and organize all of your projects. At the top, there's a navigation bar that includes several key options: Projects, Templates, and Community. The Projects tab is where all your saved projects are stored. Here, you can access any project you've worked on, whether it's a new idea in progress or something that's already completed. This section helps you keep everything organized and gives you quick access to the work you've been doing. The Templates tab offers a range of pre-made projects that you can explore. These templates serve as a great starting point, especially if you're new to Voiceflow. You can customize them to fit your needs, saving time on design and helping you understand how different voice applications are structured. Finally, the Community tab is where you can connect with other Voiceflow users. This space is perfect for asking questions, sharing your own work, and finding inspiration. Whether you need support, want to share ideas, or are just looking to learn from others, the Community tab is a valuable resource to tap into. If you want to create a new workflow, simply tap on the Create New Workflow button. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to give your new workflow a name. This helps you easily identify and organize your projects later on. After naming it, you can start designing your workflow, adding different components, and building out your voice app with Voiceflow's intuitive interface. On the left side of the workspace, you will find the Blocks panel, which has been reorganized. At the top, there is the Agent section, which manages your assistant's overall behavior. Below the Agent section, there are 4 main categories: Talk, Listen, Logic, and Dev. These categories help structure the conversation flow and interactions effectively. The Talk section contains elements related to what the assistant says, including text-to-speech and other response types. Within Talk, users can add a message block, which allows the assistant to communicate directly with users. The prompt block provides structured responses that can guide conversations. The image block enables the assistant to send images as part of its response. Additionally, the card and carousel blocks offer rich multimedia responses by presenting multiple pieces of information in an organized format. These features enhance engagement by providing varied response types to users. The Listen section includes elements that handle user inputs. The Buttons block allows users to provide input by selecting predefined options, making interactions more structured. The Choice block enables the assistant to recognize specific user inputs and route conversations accordingly. The Capture block is used to extract specific information from user responses, such as names, emails, or other important details. These features enhance interactivity by allowing the assistant to process and respond to user inputs effectively. The Logic section includes components that add complexity and decision-making to conversations. The Condition block allows the assistant to branch conversations based on variables or user responses, ensuring dynamic interactions. The Set block enables the modification of variables, which can store information and be used later in the conversation. The Component block helps in modularizing conversation flows by creating reusable components, improving efficiency in design. The End block is used to conclude conversations or specific flows within the assistant, ensuring a structured user experience. Additionally, if an error occurs or an unwanted block is placed, the Delete button allows users to remove elements easily and adjust the flow without disruptions. Logic includes blocks that handle conditional branching, variables, and function execution to add more complexity to conversations. Dev provides access to advanced integrations, APIs, and other external connections that help extend Voiceflow's functionality. The central area of the workspace in Voiceflow is the main canvas, where you'll spend most of your time designing and organizing your conversation flows. This canvas is a flexible and dynamic area that lets you connect different blocks together, creating seamless interactions between your voice app and users. You can easily drag and drop elements from the provided options, allowing you to visually map out the entire user experience in a straightforward way. The canvas is also zoomable, making it simple to navigate even the most complex projects, giving you a clear view of your flow at any scale. On the right side of the workspace, you'll find the Properties panel. This is where you can customize and adjust the settings for each block in your workflow. Whenever you select a block on the canvas, the Properties panel will display a set of specific options tailored to that block. The real power of Voiceflow comes from its drag and drop functionality. You can easily drag a message from the Talk section to insert a response at any point in your workflow. This might be a greeting or a follow-up message for the user, depending on your needs. From the Listen section, you can drag a capture option to define specific user input. For example, if you want the assistant to ask for the user's name, you could drag the capture block into your flow, then specify that the input should be captured as a user's name. This level of flexibility and customization lets you fine-tune your workflow and ensures that you can create a voice app that feels intuitive, personalized, and seamless. Whether you're designing simple interactions or building a complex voice experience, you can always make adjustments, fine-tune responses, and make sure everything works just as you envision. The updated toolbar at the top of the workspace includes several useful features. The Test button lets you simulate conversations to see how your assistant responds, helping you fine-tune interactions. The Share button enables real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same project at once. Finally, publishing a project is simple, with options to deploy your assistant on platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or custom web apps, making the transition from design to launch seamless and quick. And that's a wrap on our overview of Voiceflow. With its intuitive no-code platform, Voiceflow makes it easier than ever to design, build, and deploy voice applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, the drag-and-drop interface, powerful customization options, and collaboration tools will help you bring your ideas to life quickly and efficiently. So go ahead and start creating your own voice-driven experiences today. Voiceflow is here to make it simple and fun.